possibly severe. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Farragut, or 21 miles northwest of Tarkio, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shenandoah around 2:40 p.m. Essex around 2:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Emerson, Red Oak, Stanton, and Elliott. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for southwestern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, Page, and Pottawatomie. The